What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is 21-year-old goes nuts after police arrest her boyfriend. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought? She goes crazy after they arrest the boyfriend. Let's get into it now.
Police arrested this man for causing a disturbance and starting a fight inside of an amusement park. When the suspect's girlfriend arrives on the scene, she goes completely crazy and learns the hard way that she isn't above the law.
Why you hitting me, bro? Why you hitting me? Roll over. I'm not doing nothing. I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I did not do anything wrong.
Put your arms behind your back. You're under arrest.
Copy, 5-10. But I did not do nothing wrong. I did not do nothing wrong.
Copy. You're gonna get back. What are they touching you for? Don't touch me.
I know.
What are y'all touching me for? Why are y'all touching me for? Why y'all putting me under arrest for? I didn't do nothing. Bro, I didn't do nothing. What are y'all arresting me for? I got up. What are you arresting me for? Don't touch me. Oh, I'm like, what are you touching me for? Can you tell me? You look, I got rice, bro. You don't even know. I can't even breathe. Oh, y'all don't even know what y'all arrested me for. Y'all don't even know what y'all arrested me for. Stop, bro. Leah, stop. Bro, what are y'all doing this for?
Lady.
Bro, what are you arresting me for?
Please.
Well, I have rice. Bro, what am I doing arrested for? I have rice. Like, what are y'all doing this for, bro? Can you tell me what you're doing this for? For what? For what? What are y'all arresting me for? Get off of her! Why are y'all arresting me for? I didn't even do anything. Like, bro.
Ma'am, calm down.
Bro, can you you gotta tell me why you're arresting me? I have rights. You have to tell me why you're arresting me. So tell me my rights. Why the are you arresting me for? But I didn't interfere with nothing. I was backed up. I didn't even step in. Bro, let go of me. Bro. Bro, I didn't do nothing. Stop. You go ahead, piece of shit. You ever see the hair? Stop touching me, bitch. If I spit on you, I'm my mother.
What are you on, keys? Smaller cuffs. No, she keeps flipping that. Smaller cuffs.
Bro, don't touch me. Why y'all touching me?
Stop resisting.
Bro, get the off of me, bro. Bro, what are you touching me for? Bro, pass me my phone, Aaliyah. Bro, watch when I get out of here. I'm a
Show us assistant
why are y'all grabbing me so aggressively?
Stop
I'm a
fighting.
woman.
Stop
Can you be more
fighting.
softer then?
Show us out the JPD assisting with multiple arrests. No.
Open the window, I can't breathe.
She can't fit in the cuffs.
The fuck? God damn it.
Ma'am.
Bro, stop talking to me.
Okay.
This one looked like he was about to. That's why I looked like.
They're getting in trouble anyway because they're black. Really? Really? The cops just magically appeared and they did nothing wrong. Come on, man. Let's talk about the guy. Why the guy is causing a ruckus in the amusement park? That got nothing to do with it. the three girls running up, trying to get into what's going on. That got nothing to do with it. Now, could they have been a little bit more lenient with the girls? The girls are probably upset or whatever. I've seen people get away with a lot worse than what, you know, she actually did. What they did, you know, as far, but technically, were they interfering? Yeah, they were, you know. So some cops are more lenient than others, you know, but it's your actions of the individual. And that guy, he should be ashamed of himself. This guy right here, the one sitting down, he should be ashamed of himself, because even if he's getting in trouble, he should be man enough to tell the girls, yo, chill out. I'm good. It is what it is. You know, yo, they gonna bond me. I'll be able to get bond tomorrow or later tonight. Make sure you down there. Yo, baby, chill out. Just, they gotta do what they gotta do. Whatever, we gon', you know what I'm saying? But no, you just gonna sit there and let her act a fool so that way your girlfriend could get locked up with you. Come on, man. You gotta be able to control your joint, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, not control, you know what I'm saying? But ladies, y'all know, the ladies that's watching, come on now. If your man, yeah, you're gonna be hostile or whatever, but you know, a man got a certain way to, you know, slow his tone down and, you know what I'm saying, and talk to you and, you know, in a calm manner to get you to understand, look, baby, we both can't go to jail. I need you out here taking care of this. You know what I'm saying? Be cool. I'm gonna be able to handle it. You know, but instead, you don't do that. You let your joint get locked up with you. Like, come on, that's crazy.
Right? Yeah. It was him. It was him. It was all of them. It was that boy, Asian motherfucker. Everything recorded. Girl, we got it. Girl, word to my mother, I got a right. My mother got arrested. We had no reason to arrest me. And my mother told me I did it. And they arrested us for no reason. All I was doing was running, trying to get the ball and slipper. He put me on the ground. He touched me. He was near me. I couldn't even breathe. This motherfucker right here with the bad hairline. This Asian stupid with the bad hairline.
You know you wanted to laugh, nigga. You were trying to crack us out.
All y'all migrants is going back to y'all country.
See, and this is the stuff that we don't talk about. Did y'all hear what she just said? That's why all y'all migrants are going back to your effing country. We always talk about, oh, the white guy is racist and this and that, blah, 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 blah. But we never discuss when the blacks make racial slurs as well. That's unnecessary. That's uncalled for. And earlier she said something else where it was like, yo, nah, it was that Asian mother over there. That's unnecessary. So we can't only just talk about, oh, the whites is racist, this and that. Listen, the blacks got problems too. You know what I'm saying? Did you hear what she just said? That's crazy.
He was near me. I couldn't even breathe. This motherfucker right here with the bad hairline. This Asian stupid
With the bad hairline. You know you wanted to laugh, nigga. You were trying to crack us out.
All y'all migrants is going back to y'all country.
Black Lives Matter, because y'all gonna take us back over there. We're gonna walk away like nothing. Hold up, right? Y'all gonna take us to where y'all take us and we're gonna walk away like nothing because y'all did all this for no reason.
She just busted through your glass. She broke glass? On this.
All right, and then this is the last time I'm pausing it down. I'm gonna let it rock. But the lady is screaming Black Lives Matter, but she don't even understand that organization took millions of dollars from the black community and didn't do nothing for us besides march in the city or whatever. Like, that was, they stole millions of dollars for so that way they can buy their mansions and stuff like that. Like, come on. The founders of Black Lives, oh, I'm not even gonna get into it, man. I'm letting it rock.
Petitioner's thing. I'm sorry.
Security all units, please prepare to copy the ball on 617 description.
Should we break it?
Yeah, no.
Security units copying 617 Isabella is an 11-year-old Latino female.
How can y'all tell me to relax? Y'all not back here with these bitches.
Man, please relax.
Shut the f up. When am I gonna stop talking to you? Stop coming over here if I spit on you.
We're not gonna. We just want to talk to her to calm her down because we are worried.
If you guys
we
can
don't
calm
know
her
her.
down.
Just don't
You
approach the
understand?
car. You can go.
No, I'm standing on the side. We don't know her, but
If you guys think you can calm her
you know,
down,
and
that's
just
fine.
because we worry, because especially with what's happening, just stop. Which side is she on?
Right here.
On this side. Young lady, I can't come close to the car, but listen to me carefully. We work with the. Just relax for a second.
Just relax because you don't want.
Can I go
you
on
know.
that side? Because she's on that side. Is that window open?
Yeah, it's open.
In order for you to be safe,
27580.
Yeah.
I'm coming out.
I don't understand why they have to treat you that way. You understand? But at the end of the day, the more you react, the more they treat you that way. Well, elevated.
Tier 1, go ahead.
You're not helping.
You make sure your relay is on, please.
You understand what I'm saying?
Step 4.
When you use that phone very smartly, make sure the person that you understand what I'm saying? They won't be.
Step aside. Okay, guys, you can step aside, please. We're gonna switch cars with them.
Oh, my bad. I thought they was gonna say the charges. That's the only reason why I let it rock. But since when they let strangers pull up to the car and, you know, that was ridiculous at the end. I ain't gonna lie. This is just, this shit getting out of hand, bruh.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.